My dear students, I welcome you all to my channel Abrar Sir Classes. Today we'll be seeing problems of exercise 8.1 which is there in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. We'll be solving problems 1 to 6 in this video. Let us solve this first problem. It is saying in triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. We are supposed to determine sin A, cos A, sin C and cos of C. Let us first draw the triangle. This is solution for problem number 1. This is the triangle ABC which is right angle at B. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. Now they are given this is 90 degree right angle at B. They have given the values of AB and BC. AB is 24 centimeter and BC is 7 centimeter. The side which is opposite right angle is hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse. They are not given the length of that one. Okay, we are supposed to calculate the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares on the other two sides. I can write AC square is equal to AB square plus of BC square. How much is AB? They are given 24 the whole square plus of BC is how much? 7 the whole square. That is equal to how much is 24 the whole square is 576 plus of 49. That is equal to 625. That is AC the whole square. How much is AC? AC will be equal to root of 625. That is a perfect square. That is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay, we got AC is equal to how much? 25 centimeter we got. Now what we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate sin A and cos A. Okay, sin A and cos A. Now before we calculate sin A and cos A, like for example, in general, I will teach you how to write sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. Just remember this one. Papa, BD, POG divided by ha beta. Ha beta. Papa, BD, POG, ha beta. This is for sin theta in general. Okay, this is for cos theta and this is for tan theta. Okay, where theta is the angle. Okay, that can be anything, angle A, angle okay, C and all. Okay, now sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. That is how to write sin of A here. Okay, because they are asking us to calculate what? Sin A and cos A. Okay, sin A is what? This is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, this is base by hypotenuse, cos theta. Tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base, right? Okay, sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, how much is perpendicular? This is angle A. Okay, and this is angle C here. Okay, this is angle, this is right angle at 90 degree. Okay, A is what? Angle. Okay, sin of A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is perpendicular to for this one is 7 divided by hypotenuse how much? 25. Sin A is 7 by 25. Okay, what is cos A? Cos A is equal to is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Cos of A, which is the base. Base is 24 divided by hypotenuse is 25. 7 by 25, 24 by 25. Okay, now let us calculate the second one. Okay, in second they are asking us to calculate sin C and cos C. Sin C is equal to again perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is sin C is which is perpendicular for angle C is which one? 24 divided by 25. Okay, hope you understood. 24 by 25. Now which is the other trigonometric ratios? Cos of C you are supposed to calculate. Okay, how to calculate cos of C? comma cos of C. Cos of C is equal to, again, base by hypotenuse, which is the base. Base is what? Cos of C. 7 by 25 is the right answer. 7 by 25. Hope you have understood this one. Okay, we have calculated cos of C, sin of C, and then what? Sin A and cos of A we have calculated. Okay, this is the answer for the first question. Let us go for the next problem. In this problem, it is saying in figure 8.13, okay, find tan P minus cot R. Now let us draw this diagram. Answer for second one. Answer for second one. Now this is the diagram they have given. PQR, it is right angle at Q. What is the value of PQ? They have 12 and PR is 13. 12 centimeter, 13 centimeter. Okay, PQ is how much? PQ is 12 centimeter and PR is 13 centimeter. QR we are supposed to calculate, right angle at Q. Okay. Now what we are supposed to calculate? Tan P minus cot of R. Okay, we do not know QR. Again, use the Pythagoras theorem. The square on the hypotenuse, that is PR square, is equal to PQ square plus of QR the whole square. We do not know QR. I can calculate QR square is equal to what? PR square minus of PQ whole square. That is equal to PR is how much? 13 the whole square minus of PQ is 12 the whole square. 169 minus 144, that is equal to 25. That is QR the whole square. How much is QR? Root of 25. This is also a perfect square. 5 centimeter. Okay, QR is 5 centimeter. Now we are supposed to calculate what? Find tan P minus cot R. Tan P. Tan P is what? Where is P? P is here. Okay, angle P is here. Tan P is what? Tan is perpendicular by base. Okay, perpendicular. Which is perpendicular? Okay, which is perpendicular for this one? Perpendicular for this one is 5. Okay, perpendicular by base. Tan P 5 by, okay, base is how much? Base is 12. Now again, tan P minus cot R. Okay, cot R, cot of R. Where is R? R is here. Okay, what is cot? This is reciprocal of tan. Okay, that is base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. For R, which is base? 5. Which is perpendicular? Perpendicular is 12. Okay. Therefore, what happens? Tan P minus cot R. Because you are supposed to calculate what? Tan P minus cot R. Tan P. Okay. Tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, answer for the second question. Now let us go for the next problem. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Okay, question number 3. Given what? Sin A is equal to what? How much? Sin A is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. What is sin? A is given by perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, let us write one triangle. Let us say this is A, B and C. Okay, they have given this is angle B. Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 4. Okay, we are supposed to calculate AB. We are supposed to calculate AB. How to calculate AB? Because we are supposed to calculate what? Cos A and tan A. Okay, for that, what is required? For that, we require the length of AB. This is 3, this is 4. Okay, now we can write AC square is equal to AB square plus of BC square. AC square is how much? 4 the whole square. AB we do not know. AB the whole square plus BC is 3 the whole square. Okay. Simplify for AB the whole square will be equal to how much? 4 the whole square minus of 3 the whole square. Therefore, AB is equal to 16 minus 9. How much is 16 minus 9 will be 7. Okay, AB the whole square is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. AB the whole square. Therefore, AB will be equal to root of 7 units. Okay, we do not know whether it is in meter or centimeter, okay, or millimeter and all. Therefore, let's write down root of 7 units only. Okay, right. Now AB is how much? Root of 7. Now, what exactly we are supposed to calculate? We are supposed to calculate cos A and tan A. Cos A and tan A. Cos A. What is cos? Is nothing but base by hypotenuse. Angle A is here. Okay, base by hypotenuse. How much is base? Base is how much? Root of 7. How much is the hypotenuse? By 4. Okay, so cos A is equal to root of 7 by 4, and then which is the other trigonometric ratio of calculate? Tan A. Tan A. Tan A is equal to what? Tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. How much is the perpendicular? Perpendicular is 3. Okay, and the base is how much? Base is root of perpendicular is 3, which is opposite to angle A. Okay, perpendicular, and base is on base is root of 7. 3 by root of 7. Hope you understood. 3 by root of 7 and root of 7 by 4 is the right answer. Hope you have understood. Now, let us go to the next problem. Problem number 4. In problem number 4, they have given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Now, okay, problem number 4. They have given 15 cot A is equal to 8. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Therefore, cot of A will be equal to what? 8 by 15. What is tan? Tan is perpendicular by base. This is base by perpendicular. Base by perpendicular. So, in a triangle, if I take the triangle ABC, right angle at B, okay, this is 90 degree. This is A, which is the base. Base is 8. Base by perpendicular. Perpendicular is which one? This one. Okay, 15. Now we are supposed to calculate AC. AC the whole square is equal to, we are supposed to calculate what in this one? We are supposed to calculate sin A and secant A. Okay. The first thing is calculate the unknown side, that is hypotenuse. That is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus of BC square. AC, that is equal to AC square is equal to AB is how much? They have given 8 the whole square plus of BC is how much? 15 the whole square. Okay. The 8 square is 64. 15 square is how much? 225. That is equal to 289. Okay, 289. ACT whole square is equal to. Therefore, AC is equal to how much? Is a perfect square. 289. That is equal to 17 is the. This is 17. Now we can write whatever they are asking. They are asking us to calculate what? Sin A and secant A. Sin A and secant A. What is sine? Sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular hypotenuse, that is 15 by 17. What is secant A? What is cos? Cos is base by hypotenuse, therefore this will be hypotenuse by base. Okay, which is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse 17. It's the base. Base is 8. Hope you understood this problem also. We have completed this fourth problem. Okay, let us go to the next problem. The next problem, he has given secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Okay, secant theta is 13 by 12. Fifth problem. Secant theta is equal to, how much they are given? Secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. What is cos? Cos theta is nothing but what? Base by hypotenuse. Therefore, this will be hypotenuse by base. Okay. Please kindly remember this one. Okay. I'll write here once again for you. Papa, BD, POG, in the denominator, ha, beta. Okay. This is what? Sin theta. This is what? Cos theta. This is what? Tan theta. Now here, if I write denominator by numerator, this will be cosecant theta. This will be, what is the reciprocal of cos is secant theta. Okay. And what is the reciprocal of tan? Cot theta. Okay. Sin theta is what? P by H. Cosecant theta is H by P. Cos theta is what? B by H. That is base by hypotenuse. Secant theta will be hypotenuse by base. Okay. Understood? I know tan theta is what? Perpendicular by base. Cot theta is base by perpendicular. Now they have given hypotenuse by base. Okay. Now write the triangle. In the triangle, write the triangle. In the triangle, they have given hypotenuse and base. Let us write down this. This is ABC. Okay, right angle at 90. Right angle at B is 90 degree. They have given what? Hypotenuse is how much? 13. Base is how much they have given? Base is, let us say this is theta. Okay. Base is how much? 12. We are supposed to calculate what? BC. How to calculate BC? By using Pythagoras theorem. That is AC the whole square is equal to what? AB the whole square plus of BC the whole square. Okay. Now write down BC the whole square is equal to what? I can write AC the whole square minus of what? AB the whole square. How much is AC? AC is 13 the whole square minus of AB is how much? 12 the whole square. How much is 13 the whole square? Is 169 minus of 144. That is equal to how much? That is equal to 25. Therefore, okay, BC the whole square is equal to how much? 25. Therefore, BC is equal to how much? To 5. Okay, now this is 5. Now you can write all other trigonometric ratios. Okay, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to, here from perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. That is equal to 5 by 13. Okay, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Okay, base by hypotenuse, that is, how much is the base? Cos sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, what is cos theta? Cos theta is nothing but what? Base by hypotenuse. Okay, that is 12 by 13. What is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but what? Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base, that is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Okay, what is cosecant theta? Just write down. Okay, the reciprocal of this one, that is 13 by 5. Okay, what is secant theta? Already they have given secant theta, that is equal to 13 by 12. And the last one is what? Cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan, that is tan theta is how much? 5 by 2, 12 by 4. Hope you have understood this one. Okay, all the other 6. Okay, one is given, all the other 5 we are written. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta was given, and you are written cot theta. Cot times 12 by 5. Now let us go to the next problem. Sixth problem. Today we will be solving problem number 1 to problem number 6. If angle A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, now let us write down one triangle. Okay, the answer for sixth one. Okay, I am doing here. Let us write down this. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, here they have given what? Angle A and B are acute angles. Okay, this is angle A. Let us say this is angle A, and this is angle B. Okay, this is right angle. Let's see. Okay, this is 90 degree. Here they are saying that cos A is equal to cos of B. Okay, these are the rectangles. Okay, what is cos A? Cos A is equal to cos B. Angle A. If A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, cos A is equal to cos of B. What is cos? Base by hypotenuse. Okay, base by hypotenuse. That is nothing but how much? This is base. Okay, this is hypotenuse. This is perpendicular. Okay, cos A is what? Base by hypotenuse. That is AC by hypotenuse is AB. Okay, now cos B. For cos B is what? Cos B is what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is which one? For this angle, if this is for angle A, this is for angle A, I have written this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. If I write for angle B, for this angle B, which is the perpendicular, this will be the perpendicular. This is A, C, P. Okay, this I have written for what? This I have written for angle A. Okay, this is I have written for angle A. For angle A, this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. For angle B, hypotenuse will remain same. Okay, for angle B, which is perpendicular, this perpendicular, this will be base and this will be hypotenuse. Okay, what is cos of B? Cos of B is base by hypotenuse, that is BC by AB. Hope you understood this. Okay, it depends. Okay, how you take the angle. Okay, AB gets cancelled, AC is equal to BC. Now we got what? AC is equal to BC. This AC is equal to BC. If this AC is equal to BC in a triangle, if let us say This is C, this is A, this is B. If two sides are equal, AC is equal to AB. What about these two? These two angles will also be same. Okay, these two angles will also be same. Therefore, here angle A will be equal to what? Angle P. Angle A will be equal to what? Angle P. Because, okay, since in a triangle we know that since in a triangle, since in a triangle angles opposite to equal sides, angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. What does it mean? It means that if AC is equal to BC, which is the angle which is opposite to side BC, that is A, okay, will be equal to what? Which is the angle which is opposite to side AC, that is P. Okay, these two are angle A. If AC is equal to BC here, okay, and to say angle A will be equal to angle P. Hope you understood all these 6 problems. This is very important. Okay, if I take this angle, okay, the side which is opposite to this angle, okay, is perpendicular. This is base, it is hypotenuse. Now, if this is the angle which is perpendicular, this is AC is perpendicular, BC is base, and hypotenuse should remain as it is. Okay, the side which is opposite to 90-degree angle is hypotenuse. Okay. Students, we have covered these 6 problems. In the next video, I will be solving the remaining problems for you people. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends. Ask doubts in the comment box. Please do not forget to subscribe for my channel, Abrar classes. I'll be coming with lots and lots of problems for you people. Thanks for watching. I wish you all the best.